What's up, you guys? John, Infidel Garage. I told you I wasn't going nowhere. So even though we've got the new Lexus sitting in the driveway, I forgot about my Mercedes, boys. So, 1-inch spacers sitting here, and we've got to change. Spacers are staying the same. Fasteners are changing a little bit. That little nut right there has been the only chief complaint about the spacers. It's a nylock nut. We thought it best for securing suspension parts to use this guy. Only problem is it's kind of a bitch to thread it down. You know, it's already in a tight spot, and it's not the easiest. Once it gets down onto the thread, like, you can hand thread it only that far. Then that nylon piece starts locking on the threads. You ain't spinning that with your hand no more. So from there down, you're spinning with a wrench. We found a solution. That's a no more. Went to boltsandnuts.com, and they sent us a couple. So we've got what are called flare nuts. So same size, all that stayed the same. The bolts have stayed the same, but our flare nuts, let's get a focus on it, look like this. So they are going to spin down real nice and easy, and when they make touchdown on the bottom, it's going to have this flared end on it, and it is not going to want to come loose because you're going to basically tighten it down, and it's going to have to dig its way up to come loose. Also wouldn't hurt suspension parts, throw some Loctite on it, but this is going to be a solution to a lot of people's issues when you get the spacers and you're like, man, this is a pain in the ass to tighten up. So if you want to place an order, get you some spacers, hit me up on Facebook page, the Mercedes Off-Road, Infidel Garage. Shoot me a direct message. I don't care if it's my home profile page. Let me know that you want a pair. We've got spacers, we got the nuts and bolts and hardware for that. We've got your front shock bushings so that you can run those extended ranchos up front. We're going to also have the extended ranchos for sale. Got lots of boxes to ship everything with, all coming your way. So just don't forget to shoot me a message if you need anything. Also, it would help the channel a little bit. Hit that little bell down there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you later.